kaibigan, dito po sa ating main event ng WBO World Youth Flyweight Championship between our very own Froilan the Sniper Saludar and the Ambassador Virapol of Thailand. Dennis Principe, wala po rito sa Imus Covered Court in Imus, Cavite. Featuring for Mr. Ronnie Nathaniel. This is the main event. Right now, ating pong napapanood ngayon, ito pong ating third round the title fight. Froilan Saludar, a fighter in camouflage from the Philippines. Of course, kapatid ng mga Froilan Saludar brothers, Ethan Scott, Virapol, with a combination and right straight. Remember, Virapol gave Brian Viloria tense moments during the title fight, and he got caught with a right straight. Virapol in trouble. Another right by Saludar. Saludar showing us the kind of power na meron po siya. Another right by Saludar. A very confident and focused Froilan Saludar. Sabi nga po natin, kapatid po siya ng ating mga... Oh, good fight! That could be it. A fastball suffered by, and that's it. What a knockout scored by Froilan Saludar. A first round stoppage here. And that was scary. We're looking at a champion. The WBO World Youth Flyweight Champion, Froilan Saludar, with a spectacular first round knockout win over the Ambassador Virapol. He gave Brian Viloria a tough night before he got stopped in the 7th round. He came back from that defeat and scored a win in Thailand. And tonight, isang round lang ang tinagal niya sa ating kababayan ang si Froilan Saludar. Tignan po natin, ito pong slow-mo replay of that spectacular knockout. I believe it was the left way. Tignan po natin dito. It was the right. Straight sa base and umuktos pa yung ulo, mga kaibigan, ano, sa canvas. And the crowd here waving, ano, the handsome youth championship belt. And here's the official announcement.
Time, 1 minute 24 seconds of the very first round. A winner by technical knockout victory. And you, WBO World Youth Flyweight Champion, Froilan Saludar!
There you have it. It's official, mga kaibigan. Froilan Saludar crowning himself the new WBO